Hi friends, welcome to BITAND tutorials. Recently I came across a requirement where I have to find a criteria count like this. For example, in first column I have to apply one filter, rise for example, and second column I have to apply filter A. Then third column I have to apply two filters here, two elements like for example Ashok and Hema. Then I want to get this count as output. That is my requirement. So how I solved I will explain using BITAND and BITOR conditions in the Excel. So first wherever you are applying the filters we have to take them into the AND. For example, I am applying rise here in this column, and in this column I am applying A. So these two filters I require. So I have to apply a AND condition like this, bit and this is the column B and equal to B2. B2 is the rise, and this is the column letter, and C4 is the letter A. So these two I am making bit AND so that I will get the output like this. Okay. So here we are getting 2 minus here, so those are nothing but they will convert true false into the numbers 1 and 0. Okay, for example, this will give the true and false. If I put minus minus, then I will get 1 and zeros. Okay, so like that I will make bit and for these two columns because these two filters are required. In third column I am applying two filters, that is Ashok and Hema. So what I have done, I have done the BITOR. Okay, BITOR of column D equal to D, that is Ashok, and column D again with D4, that is Hema. So these two require, I require two things here in the column D, Ashok and Hema. So I put the bit and or. Okay. So what I will do, I will multiply these two columns and I will take the sum product. For example, if you see the formula inside this, sum product of this column and sum product of this column and this column, it will return 2 to me. Okay, sum product of bit and just now we have done here, and BITOR we have done here. So sum product if you take, you will get the answer 2, which is our requirement. I will verify again. So I applied the filter rise here, and I apply filter A here, and I apply filter Ashok and Hema here. So I want the count of these two. So I will get using the sum product and bit and BITOR conditions, using the sum product and bit and BITOR criteria in the Excel. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel BITAND tutorials. Thank you very much. Bye bye.